Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is the 94th video in our PTC Creo Parametric series, and currently we are covering Creo ISDX or Advanced Surfacing in PTC Creo Parametric. If you are new here and want to follow our complete course from beginning, make sure you check out the playlist link in the description down below. Okay, so now let's talk about the today's topic, which is Curve on Surface by Intersect. Yeah, the name is quite big. So here you can see I am already in Creo Parametric part modeling environment. All we need to do here is we need to click on style command so that we can go inside this advanced surfacing. And now here you see the COS by Intersect. So the name was quite huge, so they made it small, and in shortcut for curve on surface they have written COS. Okay, so let's see how we can utilize it. Okay, so curve on surface by Intersect allow you to generate a curve at intersection, as the name suggests, of a two surface, or I would say two entity. It could be even a datum plane or a surface, and can be useful for creating complex boundary surface that help us to define high quality class A surface. So let's see how we can use it. Simply click on COS by Intersect. And now here we need to give it a first set, which can be surface, body or quilt. So let's select this surface. Then we need to select the intersecting surface or intersecting part. Okay. And again, as I was mentioning, it can be surface, datum plane, bodies or quilt. So here, if I see nothing is intersecting, maybe I need to turn on plane display, and maybe we can use this plane. And as we hit this plane, here we can see we have created this curve at intersection between both these entities. So in this way guys, we can create curve on surface by intersect. Let me create one more. So curve on intersect, first select first entity, select second entity and hit OK. And again here you can see we have created another curve that is on surface by intersection. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. And if you are passionate about engineering and want to elevate your skills, make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.